Hello guys, what's up? I'm Suresh Designer. Today I want to talk about how we can model some neoclassics cabinets, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So for the basic informations, you must know some standards about cabinets and kitchens. So I start with some rectangle. I want some first wall design cabinet. For example, some cabinet with some dimensions about 400 centimeter to 60, like that. Actually, at the first, you must know that the depth of the cabinet always 60. Start with 60 centimeter. I'm gonna extrude it. With extrude option, I click on it. I set some distance about 90 centimeter. And we have some foot places in here, something about 10 centimeter. I'm gonna extrude them back 2 centimeter. Now I want to partition my job, so I'm gonna make some copy of this line. I click on this line. First one is something about 60, another one 80, another one 60, another one about 30, another one about 90, and the last one about 30, like this. So you imagine that this place is for the oven and this place is for some drawers. I'm gonna set some type of lines for here about 20 centimeter and make 3 copy of them, like that. Now I click on the file manager and I want to open some type of files, so I go to my file manager and high priority project, concrete design. I open this file. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna click on this, Ctrl C, I close it, I came back to my model and I paste it in here. So I draw some lines for these sides, like that, and I want to offset it something about 2 centimeter, and I click drag this oven to this place. Very simple and easy. Always do your 3D jobs very clean and serene, because when you present them to some other people, actually they will enjoy from your work. So I'm gonna copy these lines again in here and here, and another one from this place to this place. I think it's good. Yes, it's good, and don't need it. So alright, I'm gonna click on it. I create some group, so I press rectangle, I draw some rectangle in here, right click, make some component, I create it, make some copy of it in different distance you want, like this, and another one for here, like this. Now I want to extrude all of them, but before I extrude it, I'm going to click on it, extrude option, and I extrude about 1.6 centimeter. I press offset option. I need some offset about 6 and 1 and 1 again, like that. And now I want to extrude down it again, something about 1.2 centimeter, another one 0.6, and the last one about 0.2, like that. This is our neoclassic cabinets. So I'm gonna add some type of handles for each of them. I'm gonna click on it, extrude option, and I click drag this oven to this place. Very simple and easy. Always do your 3D jobs very clean and serene, because when you present them to some other people, actually they will enjoy from your work. So I'm gonna copy these lines again in here and here, and I'm gonna add some type of handles for each of them. I'm gonna click on the line option. I draw some line with estimate dimensions. I choose rectangle. I draw this profile. I select my path. I press follow me option and I choose my face. I click on it and create some group. So I'm gonna copy of it in different type of places like that. So I'm gonna click it to the here and change it to here. Now I can use this handler for other cabinet doors like this, and another one for here like this, and the last one for here. And I need two handlers again for left cabinet doors. I copy them in here like that. Now I'm gonna click on one of that. I want to make it a little bit difference between each doors from both sides. Now it's much better. So I'm gonna create my drawers like that. I make some component again. I'm gonna click like this, select 4 of them, and I change it to here like that. I'm gonna scale it up to these lines from this place to this place. Now I'm gonna extrude them. Very simple and easy. I use offset option, 6 cm, 1 cm, and 1 cm again, and set these extrusions for here and here, and our cabinets are ready. So I'm gonna click on it and choose it like this. I think everything is good. Now I'm gonna copy rotate of these handles about 90 degree, and I change my handlers to this place. Actually try to fit it on the center. Now I'm gonna copy of it in here like that, and the last one a little bit higher like this. I select these 4 handlers, and now I'm gonna copy of it in here. Very simple and easy. So for the last, I'm gonna draw another opening here and another in here. I select all of it, move it a little bit on the red axis. I'm gonna click on the extrude option and I change it to the 5 cm. I make some group of it. So I'm gonna extrude it a little bit higher. For example, something about 3.2 like this. And now our neoclassic cabinet is over. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, don't forget it. At the next session I'm going to show you how we can render this model. See you soon and goodbye.